In this demo, I'm going to walk you through how to start and navigate a pen test using the platform. To begin, go to the top right corner and click Use Credit or New Pen Test. From here, you'll see a list of available targets. You can also verify and add a new asset if needed. Next, select the type of pen test you want to run. For this demo, I'll choose the standard option. You'll then see several optional fields, including repository URL, notes, credentials, and file uploads. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with the default settings. Once everything is ready, click Start Pen Test. After starting the process, the system will begin Phase 1, Tool Assessment. You'll need to wait for this phase to complete. Once Phase 1 is finished, you can move on to Phase 2, Agent Analysis. At this stage, you'll notice that 3 agents are automatically loaded under the standard configuration. You can also interact with the agents directly by sending them messages, asking for insights, or reviewing their initial findings. At this point, we'll allow the system to complete the analysis and wait for the full TurboPentest report to be generated. When the process is complete, you can go back to the activity log or the tool assessment log to review what happened during the test. If you scroll through the dashboard, you'll also see the attack surface map, which provides a detailed view of endpoints, input vectors, technologies, and external dependencies. Below that, you'll find the Findings section, where results are categorized by severity, critical, high, medium, low, and info. You can easily sort and filter these findings. Further down, you'll see additional sections such as improvement recommendations and automation limitations, which provide guidance on enhancing your security posture. Each finding also includes detailed remediation steps, helping you understand how to fix the identified issues. You'll also see a security badge, which you can embed on your website if you choose to showcase your security status publicly. Finally, at the top of the report, you have the option to download a PDF version of the full TurboPentest report, which is professionally formatted and ready to share. And that's it. This completes the walkthrough of how to run a pen test. To see a demo report, simply log in at turbopentest.com/auth/signin. That concludes the walkthrough of how to run a pen test and review your results on the platform. Thank you for watching.